gotta say a word, keep getting me what I'm looking for. I just gotta tell everybody, I don't wanna keep it on the low. Goddamn, I love them. I love them. Goddamn, I love them. I love them.
What up, loves? It's your girl Bambee, and I'm coming at y'all with another makeup tutorial. And this makeup tutorial is very special because we're going to be focusing on my cosmetics line, Vintage Vanity Cosmetics. Yes, if you did not know, I have a cosmetics line. I do have some business related videos on my channel if you're interested in entrepreneurship and stuff like that, but we're focused on the makeup, not so much on the business side. So yeah, I wanted to do a tutorial that really just showcases my products and their versatility and stuff. Vintage Vanity Cosmetics is inspired by vintage black beauties, nostalgia, different decades with a little bit of southern charm because I'm from the South, baby. So, you know, I had to put a little sprinkle of the southern into my cosmetics line. I'm so passionate about makeup. I've worked in cosmetics retail. I am a makeup artist. I do beauty content. I'm very much so a makeup girly, okay? And I always wanted my own cosmetics line. As I grew in the beauty industry, I was like, I want to create something of my own. I want to make something unique, something that just really represents me and what I love about makeup and beauty. And one thing that I love about makeup and beauty is the history. And when you look at like vintage cosmetics and you look at like vintage beauty stuff, you don't really see women like me too much, but we have came a long way since like the 1970s when things were really like having like products more geared toward black women and women of color in general. So I'm just like, yes, like I want to be a part of that history when it comes to my cosmetics line. And my products are like named after, like I said, vintage black beauties, different decades, nostalgia, stuff that just really, I feel like represents a little bit of black culture and our beauty history. And I wanted to pay respects to the women before us, such as like Dorothy Dandridge, Lena Horne, Eartha Kitt, some, you know, actresses and singers, like I said, decades and everything. So I hope that y'all find this video really, really nice because I am sharing my baby to the fullest to YouTube, and I just really wanted to show y'all like the performance of my products. I have stuff for the eyes, the lips, and the face. So I have a variety of things, and like I said, in this video is going to be showing versatility of my products as well and how you can utilize my brand to pretty much its fullest potential. So yeah, if you want to see how I got this look, keep on watching, and also don't forget to follow me on my other socials and shop VintageVanityCosmetics.com. You know, place your order before the video, after the video, during the video. You know, shop with your girl, get into the nostalgia. So yeah, let's get into this tutorial. Tongue tied right there. Let's get into this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Love y'all. As I said, this tutorial is going to be focused on my cosmetics line. So we're starting off with my Hollywood Glow highlighter in Marpessa. Marpessa is inspired by Marpessa Dawn. She is most famous for her role in Black Orpheus. It's a vintage film, and she's a black French actress. And I'm just applying this to my lid. Next, we're going to use my highlighter in Sade. And this highlighter is inspired by Sade Abu, the singer. And I'm applying that as my brow bone highlight. Next, we have these two highlighters. One is Sade and one is Eartha. And this one is Baby Girl. This one is inspired by my favorite singer ever, which is Aaliyah. For my highlighter, I actually mix Sade and Eartha together. That's like one of my favorite things to do, is to actually mix those two together. It just is super pretty. And if you didn't peep, Eartha is inspired by Eartha Kitt. Yes, ma'am. Love her down. And I'm also applying it onto my nose because I like to use my finger for the tip of my nose and use the brush to kind of blend it out a little bit. Now we're going in with my pinup liner. If you see my other tutorials, you know I use this all the time. This eyeliner is a 2-in-1 eyeliner, so you can use it as it is intended, just eyeliner, but you can also apply your lashes right after you do your eyeliner because it's also a lash glue. No mess, no fuss, no nothing. Just make it easy for all beginners, and I love it. And I named it pinup liner after 1940s pinup. I'm taking my throwback lip liner in 90, which is a black, and I'm actually going to use it as a eyeliner for my waterline. It's smooth, it's easy, and I just sometimes love to use it as that. These are my Starlit eyelashes, and these are in the style Nichelle, and these are inspired by Nichelle Nichols, who is best known for her role on Star Trek. So yeah, nice fun fact. Now I'm going in with my throwback lip liners. I'm starting off with the shade 91, which is a dark brown lip pencil. It is my favorite and it is well loved. You see how short that bug is? Yes, I love it. It's definitely my favorite lip liner out of all my lip liners. And I'm not just saying it because it's mine. I'm just being honest. Now I'm going in with 90, which is my black. For some reason, I just really like the look of starting off with a brown and then finishing it with the black. I'm going to apply my lip glosses. This one has the new label and this one has the old label. I'm going to apply Baby Girl first, which was that nice pink. This was actually one of my first shades that I've ever created for my cosmetics line. Now I'm going in with a 94, which is a nice rich chocolate brown, and I love it. It's like cool tone. Here is the finished look using my products. I hope y'all enjoyed the tutorial. Thank you for watching. Love y'all.